Welcome everyone back to the fifth match of the day. Buzzer beaters versus hot steppers. Hot steppers surprisingly are the group leader. Selvan, is that a surprise to you?
Yeah, as of now, this is the business end of the tournament, and since this is the second time they're playing everyone, I think everyone needs to win a game. This team is evenly matched. An interesting game. It started off baskets on both sides, both teams. Like the buzz around the ground, if you speak to people and spectators, this is a game of skill against experience. With both
That's a
both
good
teams
foul
doing
and
really
count
well,
of
and
you
that's a
there.
good
He is
shot.
on fire, isn't he?
Yeah,
He has single-handedly turned some games around by himself.
his out of range shooting has been exceptional.
I think the other reason Abhyudaya has been shooting so well is that he hasn't been guarded well. He hasn't been guarded that, tightly.
Yeah, that closely. I don't think anyone's really pressed him a lot. So he's got a free-handed shooting. Most of the shots that he's taken is when he was absolutely free. They haven't been contested. But that's a good rebound with Sokin. Excellent fake, a move through, and the
Excellent.
age-old step in for a basket.
Score is 3-all, 5:43 on the clock. Aaron, dribbling pass, fancy move, takes the ball. Abhyudaya goes.
And once again, that's foul on the shot by the referee, Nasir. I think they need to get Aaron more into the game. He's the one that's going to be distributing the ball to everyone. Abhyudaya needs to get free, the simple shot. But I think this team's worked really well after the first few shockers that they had during the game, and they worked themselves really well up. That's Aaron. That's all the way.
That's amazing handles by Aaron. Some skills there. They're playing 3 for buzzer beaters. Shinde, Mane, and Saukin Shetty, the tallest guy on the floor. It's a holding foul.
Shinde disappointed. He should have converted that for a 2-point play.
Buzzer beaters 3. That's another foul. And I think these are unnecessary fouls, Sylvan. I think these are going to hurt them in the next half.
Yeah, it will. Considering the fact that everything above seven fouls of a team entitles you to 2 shots.
And that's a slip.
Excellent putback. 2 shots really hurts you during.
Long distance misses.
Yeah,
And he goes again.
and a block off the board, off the glass, out of my house.
More of this game is a grudge match between these two teams because the last week and they played, it was a very close game and
Time left 4 minutes
Surprisingly.
57 seconds.
Yeah,
Steppers pulled the game away.
yes, all the way till the end. They pulled away at the end, so it was close all the way. But then, I think
Dinkemane dials long distance, misses.
simple rebound. Ash and Aaron with the ball, moving it around,
Aaron shoots, misses.
and the ball back out. Sokin holding it back to Shinde.
They're trying to drive past him, looking for a foul, and he gets it.
Well, Aaron disappointed with that, but a call is a call.
Sylvan, first half rather, and there are already 4 fouls.
It's going to be costly, like we were saying, especially when they get into clutch time and you are 7 fouls and 8 fouls and you have 2 shots, because every free throw after that you make is going to be 2 points. So you got to hold back somewhere.
Aaron goes for a Iverson move and he misses. That was close. That's again another foul.
And
That is number 5. And that's and one.
Yeah, he needs to make these baskets.
It's a surprise both teams have such amazing perimeter shooters and still the score is just 4 all.
Absolutely, absolutely. And they are these crunch shooters. Where
Converts,
that's a point. Two buzzer beaters. Those are
does what he does and he misses. He hasn't yet gotten his groove. He hasn't scored a basket.
Buzzer beaters has been playing him closer than the other teams,
I think
as
he's
I've
more of a
noticed.
second half player.
He seems like he comes alive in the second half.
All his energy up for the last 3
He-
minutes of the second half and then he turns it around.
Yeah.
Good move.
Oh, Paras, excellent move. Trademark Paras. And that
Time left 3 minutes 48 seconds.
Aaron gets a breather, and we have Darshan in. Darshan, to remind you, in the last season, happened to be their clutch time shooter. So they used to introduce him only in the last minute of the game, when it was the clutch time. I think they're trying to do the same, warming him up with 3 minutes to go.
I think this is a mismatch. Darshan on
Absolute mismatch.
that's a offensive foul of Saukin. I mean, if you look at the size of Saukin and Darshan, Saukin is always going to be called out for bullying.
Yeah, that's a David and Goliath battle.
Darshan dribbles, passes on to Paras. Paras tries to get past Saukin.
That's a high dribble, good steal, and the shot, air ball.
It's still a shocking.
Scoreline at 5 or
3 minutes 32 seconds.
3:32 to go. Wow, that's a basket.
That was a bullying basket. Driving past Darshan. Way there. Drives in, turns, shoots, and in and out. Tough luck. He's having.
He's having a tough day. I think he still needs to get into his groove. Saukin with that dunk. Oh my God, in the house.
Tries it. No, he misses as well. Somebody has to Darshan. And he's not friendly to the hot steppers today.
Yeah, seems to be rejecting all their
Time
attempts.
left 2 minutes 58 seconds.
And we have substitution. Darshan out, Vinayak in.
2:58.
Edwin in the game for Saukin.
Yeah, we've seen Edwin for the first time at the tournament.
Yes, I think
I
this
mean,
is the
that-
second time I've seen
Yeah,
him.
that's a welcome for the team. They really needed their support.
Two big men on the floor now, Edwin and Saukin.
Wow, this is going to be really interesting.
So I think the strategy is very simple.
Yeah, drop the ball to the big guys, and they're going to do their job.
Put it out to Shinde.
But if you look at the other team, Hot Steppers also have two big guys on the court. So I think they've ideally watched one another and made their substitution.
This is ridiculous.
Oh, and Saukin with his dunk once again.
Just bulldozing his way through to the ring and
Is anyone going to
slams
keep
and
him
gets a
out?
foul. Put that on a highlight reel.
Time left 2 minutes 39 seconds.
39
on the clock left.
Saukin keeps doing that. He's going to be the commentator's favorite.
Saukin, free throw.
Needed that basket. You need it. Yeah, they need to convert. They need to increase the lead to play it safe. But 3-on-3 is such a game that it can turn around in the last minute, especially because of the clutch time. You need the lead, and you need to increase it all the time.
1 out of 2. Vinayak in the game. And that was absolutely bad pass.
Unnecessary turnover.
Absolutely bad pass. Shinde back into the game. He's had a breather. He is going to be driving the play.
Ball being checked.
Shinde gets a screen of Saukin. But the man is alert. Shoots. And that's Shinde we know. That's the Shinde we know.
Yeah. All worth the international status that he comes with.
On Saukin. On Edwin rather.
Edwin,
Time left 2 minutes.
His first
19
foul.
seconds.
2:19 to go. It's a fake. Move around. Ball with Vinayak. Still moving the ball around. 3 seconds on the shot clock and a block.
Rejected. Not today.
I think Saukin's going to throw these guys out of the game all the time.
1 second on the shot clock. Catch and shoot. Vinayak shoots and it's a miss. But they get the rebound back. Lucky.
So the game goes on, and
That's again.
out of my house,
Saukin out.
is he going to have as many points as his blocks today. Seems like he's been blocking everyone.
Well, I think if you combine the scores of, if you take the score and the dunks and the blocks of Saukin, he's alone outscored. the
Yeah,
entire
he
Hot
has.
Steppers team.
Absolutely.
Hot Steppers really need to come back in this game. They are down by 6 and with
I
one
think,
quarter on the clock.
yeah, they need to get their big guys in. They need to get the experience back on the court. And right enough, they've got the 3 in.
Big man Harsh checks in. So does
Time
Abhyudaya.
left 1 minute 45 seconds.
145 on the clock.
They need the ball with Aaron in offense. He's the guy who's going to make the play.
Good screen, shoots, fakes, lobs the ball, and that's another easy layup.
The screen and roll is going to cost them. Oh, they've given up the ball. So that's a turnover.
That's a silly turnover.
That was too easy. Well, they with the ball right now. He's making a play inside.
Going on the post. Oh,
Ah.
that's a good fake, and he
Oh,
lost it.
gosh.
That was a very, very, very bad miss.
Too many turnovers. Too many. They need to cover that.
And there was an air ball. Aaron,
The ball needs to be with him. He's going to beat that. That's a good move.
Aaron is just too quick off his feet, and his ball handling
Time
has
left
gone
1
to
minute
another
12
level ever since
seconds.
he's gone to
12 seconds left for clutch time.
America. Don't you think so?
He should. He should. He has the quality to do so. He has the temperament. That's a good shot. He has the temperament. So his brother plays in the other team.
Time left 1
With his
minute.
dad watching from the side, who's an ex-international,
starts.
Stanley Montero.
A family of ballers, actually.
Of course, he comes from a family.
His mother used to play for Railways, if I remember.
Yes, and his father is a Chembur YMCA legend.
1 minute left.
Ah, yes, the good old YMCA.
Clutch time begins.
Vinayak, as it goes.
Trying to make his way inside, playing hard. Vinayak playing him hard.
He just threw the ball away. He was just trying to. That was a Hail Mary pass.
Money seems to be keeping him well.
Who's disconnects,
Oh, that's a
and
good shot.
30
That's gotta
seconds
be
left.
That's a foul. That's a pushing foul. Shinde absolutely not happy and is disgusted. He really needs to keep his cool.
That's a lot of emotion.
2 free throws.
But with someone who's so passionate about the game, I guess they can.
Really needs to convert this game because they are in a good 12-point lead and he doesn't need this. He doesn't
Yeah,
need
absolutely.
to be silly and give up a technical or upset the referees and rub them the wrong way.
He needs to cool it down.
Aaron shoots and he misses. This is really
This is costly, considering it's clutch time, because it
every
can be
shot
2
they miss
points.
is a 2-pointer since they are in the clutch time now. And they really need to bring this 12-point lead down. They can't be affording to miss this shot. Aaron shoots again and he converts this one. 1 out of 2.
Shinde with the miss.
Aaron has the ball and
Abhyudaya drives in and wow, he meant wow.
I didn't see that.
That was out of the blue, but it was a good one.
That was some magic
Time
shot.
left
As
20
long as it goes in, it's good.
26.
That was over Sokin, who's been blocking everyone out of the park.
That was a piece of black magic, I would say.
24 seconds.
24 seconds.
Mane with the ball, no look pass.
That was too good a play, but they missed it. Abhyudaya shoots and he's still missing it. He's been missing whole day.
And that's a shot.
That's an easy.
Offhand in the player.
9.
10 on the clock. They really need to
Seven.
get the ball.
They need to take this shot. Aaron with the shot,
And that's
miss.
another miss.
3.
And a shot, miss.
Oh,
Misses in shots.
a very,
And we wind up the first half. Buzzer beaters at 19. Hot steppers at 9. Hot steppers need to do something to come back into the game. I'm so sure that the team talk is going to be a long drawn one.
the first half, it has been the Ron, second half.
Uh,
You think
tough
they will
task.
be able to make a comeback?
They can, if they get their shooting touch. Oh, they have. They have. In the last game itself that they played, they came from behind, but they need to get their act together. I think this team talk is going to be huge. On the other hand, I think buzzer beaters have got their plays in. They just need to follow. Yeah. It's good to see people on the bench for buzzer beaters, and they're going really well.
Second half, Sullivan coming up. Steppers down by 9. They have been through this in the past, and that looks like a worried by Stanley trying to get his boys to rally. Abu there, he has to really lead the scoring. Harsh Dillon, the big man, he hasn't done much today.
Ash, we've got a heated audience today and players. We've got a lot of internationals who are actually playing this game, whether they're junior internationals or NBA India or actually played for India. Like we've got Shinde on the court who's an ex-international. We've got people in the stands who are internationals. So
He's a legend from Maharashtra.
absolutely, and of course, to mention, Shinde got in one of the guys who got into the Indian team after a really long time. Drive to the ring, finish
Foul was called earlier, so
on Sokin, as a blocking foul.
well, there are no personal fouls on the player, so a player can do as many fouls as he can. He won't be thrown out of the game unless there are two consecutive technicals.
Absolutely, but now it's going to hurt them because of the 2 free throws they get for every foul that is committed by buzzer beaters.
So 7 fouls,
And
both teams.
right, and hot steppers too are also in foul trouble because they are on 7.
Harsh converts the first one. Finally in double digits, hot steppers, 10-19. He has to convert this. Every shot counts.
And a miss. That's a rebound. Ball with Sokin. Out to Shinde. Oh, sorry, that's Mane. I'm sorry, that's Mane. Mane doing it himself.
Gets the miss. And Saukin gets the rebound again.
Sokin with the ball to Mane. Oh, that's a good behind the back. Oh, and that's a fake.
That is a highlight play. Put that on the highlight reel right away. Abu there trying to dive.
Oh, and he's got his shot in.
Back. Abu there. This is his quarter. He just lives for the second quarter, doesn't he? Second half rather. He's a second half player.
Absolutely. He seems to be coming into his own. I hope he does because it's going to make this game really interesting.
And a travel call. I would say that was a 50-50 call, don't you think?
Yeah, back to the player seems 50-50.
But I think the referees are at a better angle to see it. Like, they're in a better position to see it than you and me are.
They are, absolutely. With their experience, I think they made a good call.
That's a blocking foul, surprising.
Yeah, that's a blocking foul.
No, he gave a
An offensive foul.
that was an
Time
offensive
left
foul. I
5
thought
minutes,
so.
51
I was
seconds.
surprised when he gave that a blocking foul.
Yeah.
It's a blocking foul, but there. Harsh, the big man, two big man each other. That's a treat to watch. Two big men fakes, shoots, the fade away jumper, misses.
It's actually a treat to watch 2 big men go up against one another. Two big centers. Aaron with an excellent steal. Harsh with the ball.
Harsh with the ball,
Trying a
to shoot out of the
three.
range, and that's not his range. He shouldn't even be trying that, but he had to.
Edwin with the ball. Edwin looking for the pass. He does get one. Sawkin's thrown that into no man's land.
That was entirely a miscommunication.
Time left 5 minutes 18 seconds.
Mane gets a breather and Shinde comes in.
Harsh gets a breather. Paras comes in. Sorry.
That would be counted. Yes, that's.
Oh,
No. I think the foul was called before the ball went in.
the foul's on the ground.
But anyway, they're going to get 2 shots because both teams are at 7 fouls each. So
Absolutely, the foul's on the ground. So
actually, the buzzer beaters are at 9 foul and 1 more foul after this, and they'll be giving up 2 shots and
2
possession of
shots
the ball as well.
and ball position.
Oh, they already are in that zone. So this is a bonus hour. This is like a bonus zone for.
everything that they do is going to be 2 shots. So both teams foul trouble.
They have to keep converting these freebies,
Yeah.
and they keep the possession as well.
Oh,
that
yes.
could potentially be a 4-point play.
Absolutely.
Aaron shoots the first one and he converts. 14-20 the score is. Hot Steppers down by 6.
Time
They're
left 5
making it up.
minutes 15 seconds.
Before the start of the second quarter, they were down by 10 and now they are down by 6. Aaron shoots second and he converts to win 2. That's a good conversion.
5:14 to go.
And they have the possession. They have to make this one count. Aaron, nice handles. Tries to get past.
Moving his way around. Oh,
That was too much into a crowded zone.
I don't think Paras could follow that pass. He should have been more attentive because he knows Aaron's going to be throwing passes to him like that. But I think he's going to pick it up once again.
Good guy who keeps up with the pace of Aaron.
Absolutely. Oh, that's a move.
Oh, that's a good
Oh, that's
and
Aaron all the way.
conversion. Now that is exactly what he was trying to do a play earlier.
Oh, that's a block. Shinde with the ball. Shinde takes a shot and
Yes.
converts.
Shinde does what Shinde does. Who's surprised?
No one is. It's just Shinde doing his stuff.
Big man and in and out.
That's a foul on Abhyudaya.
Abhyudaya there trying to argue, but
Time left 4 minutes.
no referee
45 seconds.
on the planet ever overturned Michael Jordan's foul as well. So don't try it. Don't try it at home. Don't try it on the court. Don't try it anywhere. Not even in NBA 2K.
So it's Sawkin makes one.
23-15 the score is. Hot Steppers down by 8. 23-15. Good comeback.
That's it.
He gets his own rebound and he slams one home again.
And another.
And another one.
That's with the foul. So he's got a point for that, and he's got 2 free throws to make too.
I'm surprised Sauking.
Oh, 1 shot. I'm so sorry. 1 shot to make.
Silvan, I'm really surprised. There's a mismatch on Sauking. That's
He's
the
getting
reason
free.
fine. He's able to slam the ball every single time he gets in the paint.
2 in a row. To mention, 2 in a row.
3 in a row rather, because his 3 last scoring shots
Yes.
apart from the free throw have been slam dunks.
They've been leaving him too easy. They need to guard him a little more tightly.
Shoots. And that's a
Time
two-point
left
play.
4 minutes 37 seconds.
But Ash, looking at the way that buzzer beaters are proceeding in this game, they certainly seem a semi-final
It's not,
contender.
but both teams are in penalty now. This is getting ridiculous.
Yeah,
They get 2 free throws and
for every foul committed.
gets the rebound. There. Guarded by Mane. Harsh is a big man shooting and I'm still baffled by the strategy.
Of having Ash take a shot from out. Yeah, absolutely. He really needs to concentrate on
that's a good
Sawkin.
play. It's a mismatch and he'll do this day in, day out. That's bread and butter for him. You there, he's just not.
Time
in the
left
zone.
4 minutes
Apart from that
7
one shot,
seconds.
I think Sawkin looking out for a breather. Gets one.
Sawkin gets a well-deserved rest and he changed the complexion of the game in the last 1.5 minutes.
Absolutely.
Big game coming after this one.
Yeah, that's us.
Paras and that's
Oh, Paras once again with his
He was
trademark.
trying not to foul.
Yeah.
Just let him pass. That was smart.
Very.
He shoots and misses. Is the rim.
Time left 3 minutes 46 seconds.
Buzzer beater with the possession. This is an 11-point game, and Abhyuday, apart from that one shot,
They really need to keep this up now. Mani with the ball. Mani fakes, a drive,
drives to the hoop,
man behind
and
him,
that's another
foul on
foul.
Vinayak.
So that's 2 free throws, and I'm already tired saying it's going to be 2 free throws and a possession every time it happens.
Okay, and we have a little issue here. I think Mani needs to be cautioned. A little too emotional about the game. The referee explaining it to him.
I think this is totally unnecessary. They already are in a play. I think he was probably checking with the referee for a little aggressive play by the defender. But I don't think they need to be talking to the referee. They should be not even looking at the referee. Every time they get a foul, they have 2 free throws and the possession.
They need to be looking at the
This is happy
score.
hour for both teams.
Absolutely.
Time left 3 minutes 41 seconds.
16-27, Hot Steppers down by 11. Mane shoots and he misses.
Misses
both.
both.
I
The
think he
emotion.
rushed into it. He should have taken his time. It's a free throw.
I think the emotion got the better of him after the play.
And they have a possession behind the back. That was. I can't even describe that.
That seemed like a really patient move, and Paras doing his stuff. I think Paras is playing his game, playing well within himself. Shinde distributing the ball well. Mane missing a shot. Saukin
They
with the
have
rebound.
a size disadvantage because they don't have a rebounder. There are 2 big men, but they both are on different. And that's
Shinde shooting over the players. Shinde shooting over Vinayak.
shoots.
That's a block by Saukin on 3-point line on Vinayak.
I'm surprised by this strategy. Everybody. Shinde dials long distance
And a
connects,
three.
And connects and connects.
Leading scorer in the game is Shinde
By far, he's outscored the.
for buzzer beaters, and I think Paras is going to be the leading scorer as of now with Hot Steppers.
Shinde has outscored the entire Hot Steppers team.
And there's a timeout being called by
Time left
Hot
2
Steppers.
minutes 45 seconds.
Buzzer beaters in the lead, leading by 13. 2:43 to go on the clock.
I think unless Abhyuday turns on into that magician mode, this game is as good as gone. But well, I don't want to call it too early because I've seen what he's capable of doing.
If you look at buzzer beaters shooting, they're way more consistent, of course. That's the reason why they are up in the game. However, if we do have Abhyuday on the court, if we do have Abhyuday back on the court, they still need to get him free to take his shot. So, like I was saying, here we go.
Time
Shinde,
left 2 minutes
18
45
points.
seconds.
18
For
points.
clutch time,
That's quite a lot in a game.
1 minute 45 seconds.
Okay, I have a very interesting stat for you, Selvan. Siddhant Shinde has 18 points and he has committed half of his team's 10 fouls. But
Yeah.
they take it any day with that 18 points as long as the 18 point comes with it.
Yeah, the lead's too big. So I think that they will proceed the way they are.
Well, his score is
15
18,
point
the
lead
Hot
now.
Steppers team score is 18, so why not? I think they would have him score 5 more fouls and another 18 points, I guess.
Absolutely.
Aaron dribbles, shoots, and connects.
He's been out for too long.
I'm surprised.
And
as I
during
said,
that
like
time-
this, you have when your big men have been shooting.
And
very
that
few. Abhyuday reads, shoots, and misses. This is just not his night. This is just not his night.
I think he needs to bring it together. Or drop the ball to
I think the
Aaron?
beaters have to be smart and actually play for the clock. They don't need to burn their energy at all.
Absolutely.
By almost half. Because this is all unnecessary. Now every foul is going to be 2 free throws.
But I think they're pretty fine. They're using their bench.
Time left 2
Not trying to
minutes,
waste too
10
much of
seconds.
energy.
Fauzan has checked in for the first time. He's playing the first game. I mean, he was out and Abhyuday, this is just not his night, is it? Everything he has tried today. Shoots the second one and gets one. 1 out of 2, and they have the possession. They have to score to keep
So
up.
Fauzan has
Drives past Shinde,
the
cross
duty
court,
of guarding Aaron. And that's miss once again. Shinde with the ball.
Shinde
Eyes on
has
him.
long distance, off the rim.
Wow. Needed to pick that up. Did not pick up that
Time
pass
left
from
1
Aaron.
minute 58 seconds.
I think they they really have to be smart and slow the game down and let the clock run. Shinde dials long distance again and
So we take that 18 to 20.
surprises.
20 only by Shinde. That's a good move.
That's a trap.
One too many steps with the ball.
Time left 1 minute 44 seconds.
Like I was saying, Ash, the way buzzer beaters have proceeded in this game, they really look like a semi-final team contender.
This is
Sorkin with the ball,
and it's
Sorkin and
again. That should be. That's. Yes, the
Another
Bangladesh
miss.
are going off celebrating Saukin's dunks tonight.
Time left 130.
Mane outside the arc. Misses. Aaron needs to do something. Harsh, the big man, goes. And that's a foul.
foul by Sorkin. Quite aware of it, accepts it.
Time left 1 minute 18 seconds.
118, down by
18
15.
seconds remaining for
What
clutch
is
time.
it that the hot steppers can do to come back in this game? What do they need to do, Supil?
They
This
should
is a good
const
time for the hot buzzer beaters as well to test their bench because the 15-point lead is.
absolutely they need to, and they need the breather because they got a game up tomorrow too. On the other hand, we have the hot steppers which really need to regroup. They need to get a few of their outside shooters in. That's going to change the game in the during the clutch time. 15 points clutch time. That's approximately 4 outside shots or 4 outside converted, and you're in the game once again. So, but they also need to play defense, which they haven't been.
The clutch time. They
Yeah.
need 3 big shots from him tonight in clutch time.
Yeah, they do. They really do.
Time left 1 minute 18 seconds.
Arjun, shoot from the line. In and out, bounces off the ring.
You know what?
That's the kind of night they have been having. Everything has bounced off the ring.
True. You watching the SBL too? Buzzer beaters versus hot steppers. Hot steppers trailing.
Convert 1 out of 2 and they keep the possession.
This is the second last game of the day. The ball with Aaron. Winding his way through. Lost possession. A bit too easy.
That's the kind of night they have had. That Saukin, the big man, is stealing the ball from one of the best ball handlers in Mumbai.
True.
Mane,
Clutch time begins.
first time begins. Aaron shoots, fakes, passes on to Abhyudaya. Abhyudaya dials long distance and still not his night. It is just not been his night.
He should have
I
made
think
this
Mane-
shot to get
our
momentum
buzzer
out.
beaters are not playing is smart. They are just slowing the clock down.
And they
Just
should.
slowing the clock down. They don't need to rush anything.
Edwin taking a try.
should
Why
they?
not?
Oh, and that is
35 seconds left.
It's a fly around the corner. Well, that's a good shot, Abhyudaya.
really gets one.
That's a timeout.
Timeout called by the buzzer beaters bench. I think this game is a
Time
foregone
left
conclusion.
30 seconds. 3-0.
All around. That's Darshan with the ball. Good shot. Finally, Hush making a good three. He's been trying it.
15 seconds left.
I'm still surprised they are trying to make the plays. Buzzer beater don't need to do anything. They just have to.
8, 7,
If that shot had counted,
And they're going through the
By
emotions of the game
Abhyudaya.
right now.
3.
and that was an exclamation point. That is the kind of night
That's the game. Buzzer
Saukin
beaters,
Shetty
38.
show
Yeah.
and Abhyudaya no show.
Buzzer beaters 38, Hot Steppers 30.
That was too close.
That's
It
the third
was not
game
even actually close as the scoreline would suggest.
of the men's section.
Siddhant Sindhe outscoring all scorers by 20 points, 3 rebounds, and an easy win, relatively easy win. Shetty, 12 points, Saukin Shetty, 6 of them, probably half a dozen coming off dunks. Aaron Montero with 10, Arsh Dillon with 5, Abhyudaya 11, Darshan didn't get off the mark. And buzzer beaters are the group leader in this group. They have 3 wins and 1 loss. And finally, the Hot Steppers have their first loss of the season.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shawnee
So the final score?
from Buzzer Beaters is the player of the match.
Final score, buzzer beaters 40, Hot Steppers 30. Shawnish is the best player of the match, and Shawnish hasn't even played this match. That's how kind we are.